Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 158. The segment is already unlocked, error not locked on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command, this 3DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. Don't forget to press enter on each entry. After that, execute the command on the same window, SFC scan now. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open settings, right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side of settings page, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Here from the right side, click on Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and click on scan options. And here you will find 4 options, out of which choose full scan. And finally click on scan now. This scan could take longer than 1 hour, so wait till 100% scanning process completed. After that, check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type Windows memory diagnostic and open Windows memory diagnostic tool. Click on open. Here check your computer for memory problems. Restart now and check for problems recommended. Click on this and follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows memory diagnostic tool in your system. And after that, restart your system and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system and here scroll down and click on recovery. On the next page, click on open system restore. Click on it. A new window will open. Restore system files and settings page will open. Restore system files and settings. Here you will find recommended restore, but you have the option to choose another restore point. Click on choose a different restore point. Click on this button and click on next. Here you will find different restore point. Choose any one of them, Windows Modular Installer or Windows Update, and restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description below, and finally click on finish. Hopefully your error will be resolved. That's all.